Hey, it's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, your girl will be showing you how I transformed my wonky looking face to this instant glamorous beat with, of course, budget-friendly and locally available products perfect for your graduation photo shoot or ball. So I already prepared my skin for this look. I made sure my skin is well moisturized because I'll be using a full coverage matte foundation and lots of powder for this look. For my base, I'll be using Revlon's COLORSTAY Full Cover Foundation. So yung shade ko guys is 310. Tingnan nyo guys kung gaano ka-thick yung consistency. Napaka-thick niya. Hindi nyo na actually kailangan ng concealer. By the way guys, the brush that I'm using is from NYX Cosmetics. So ito yung foundation brush nila. Ito yung favorite ko na tool to blend out my foundation. Kasi I like using brushes to blend out my foundation. And specifically this brush because I like the density of this brush and soft yung bristles niya sa end. As you can see guys, madami pa akong acne marks sa skin ko. Pero marks na lang siya guys, wala ng active pimple. But anyway, makikita niyo agad yung difference when I apply the foundation. As in, natakpan agad ng foundation na to yung dark marks ko. And because of this guys, I don't need an extra concealer to conceal my acne marks. Now I'm gonna grab this concealer brush from my imitation ZOEVA set. So I really love this brush because napaka-soft ng bristles niya and it's dense. So pag nag-blend out ako ng concealer ko or ng foundation ko, like right now, soft blurred yung effect niya sa skin ko. So kina-concentrate ko lang siya ngayon sa mga stubborn areas na nagpipeek through pa yung acne marks ko. So because ganito yung performance ng foundation, makakasave talaga kayo ng pera kasi you don't need to buy an extra concealer to conceal your dark spots. You just need this foundation to cover everything. For the contour naman, I'm gonna be using Bench Beauty's contour stick. So this is only for 299 pesos and available siya sa mga Bench stores out there. So if you don't know how to do your contour guys, just do the fishy face and yung shadow sa ilalim ng cheekbone nyo, yan yung magiging guide nyo kung saan nyo ilalagay yung contour nyo. For the brush naman guys, I'm gonna be using this foundation brush from FOCALLURE. So part ito ng face set nila. So you can buy this at Shopee for 200 plus pesos. Isang set na yun guys. So I'm just blending out the contour using this brush. Make sure pa-upwards yung motion nyo when blending. And back with the contour stick guys, I am contouring my nose this time. And I'm also drawing the contour to my eye area para mas deep set yung itsura ng eyes ko. And with a dense concealer brush from quote-unquote ZOEVA, ito yung gagamitin ko pang blend out ng nose contour ko. And for my eyebrows naman guys, I'm gonna be using Bench Beauty's eyebrow pencil in the shade Natural Brown. I'm just filling in my eyebrows. I'm not doing a fancy like edgy na eyebrows. I'm just filling it in. Tip ko lang guys, before kayo mag-makeup para sa grad ball or sa grad picture ninyo, magpa-thread or magpa-shape na kayo guys ng kilay nyo para hindi na kayo mahirapan mag-fill in ng eyebrows ninyo. Kasi if nagpa-thread na kayo or if nagpa-wax na kayo ng eyebrows nyo, may shape na siya and all you have to do is fill it in. For my cheeks naman guys, since hindi pa tayo nakapag-set ng face, I'm gonna grab BLK Soft Matte Mousse in the shade Rose Quartz and I'm applying this as my blush guys. And nakalimutan ko guys ipakita sa inyo, but the blush brush that I'm using is from FOCALLURE as well. And then with a powder brush again from FOCALLURE, I'm gonna be using this to set my face with Kathy Doll's translucent powder. And back with the Bench Beauty contour stick, I am using this as my eye makeup base. Kasi para mas intense yung color ng eyeshadow ko mamaya. Because the eyeshadow that I'm gonna be using later is nasa brown siya na shade. So this eye makeup base will intensify the color later. I'm gonna be using this to apply my eyeshadow and I'm gonna grab this contour shade from the Fig Trio palette from EB Advance. So I'm not gonna use guys an eyeshadow palette, but I'm only gonna be using this contour palette. Guys, I'm applying the contour shade all over my lid. So make sure lang guys sa crease area na papunta na sa brow bone area, medyo i-soften nyo and medyo i-diffuse nyo kasi papunta na yun ng brow bone guys. So ayaw natin maging messy yung brow bone area natin. We want it clean and I'm picking up this blush shade, guys, and applying it all over my lid as well, over the contour shade, para may hint of blush lang. You can't really point it out, but you know there's something there. Parang ganun siya. And I'm grabbing the highlighter with my pinky, guys, and I'm gonna apply it lang on my tear duct area just to highlight it, and para may subtle pop lang over there. And for my eyeliner, I'm using Nina's 24-hour pen eyeliner. So for my eyeliner look, nothing crazy, but I'm still doing a little wing. So the purpose of applying eyeliner is to make your eyes pop sa camera. Nothing dramatic with the eyeliner, just a simple wing will do to make your eyes pop. Kita nyo guys yung difference? I didn't do much. I didn't do a dramatic eyeliner, but mas nagpa-pop yung eyes ko even with just a simple wing compared sa other eye ko na walang eyeliner. And I'm curling my lashes with my Bokto lash curler. For my falsies, I'm gonna be using this falsies from ARTISAN Professional. So I just realized, guys, na artista lashes pala to. Ito yung lashes na ginagamit nila ni Nadine Lustre, KZ Tandingan. Pang artista levels pala yung lashes na to. I didn't know until after I shot this video. So I think it's a little bit expensive. I'm sorry you guys, but ito yung nagamit ko for this look. And back naman sa EB Advanced Fig Trio palette, I'm picking up this blush and I'm applying it on the apples of my cheeks, and the reason for that is because I want my blush to pop. Kasi since it's a graduation pictorial, guys, madami siyang lights, may flash and everything. So sometimes, guys, yung makeup ninyo nawa-wash out siya, especially your blushes, your contour. So you kind of want to make sure that you double down on your blushes and your contour. So pag nag-register sa camera, guys, and sa screen, nakikita pa rin yung color sa face ninyo. So I'm also reapplying my contour with EB Advance's Fig Trio Contour Powder for that same reason. And for my lipstick, guys, I'm gonna be using the same BLK Soft Matte Mousse that I used for my cheeks earlier. So again, this is in the shade Rose Quartz. You can keep it matte if you want, but some yearbook committees or photographers require people to wear gloss. So I provided you guys with a gloss option. So this is from Happy Skin. Ito yung gloss vibe nila in the shade Glazed Donut. And actually, it will change the base color a little bit because merong pigment yung gloss na to. So the reason why some yearbook committees or photographers require you to apply gloss, kasi yung gloss, guys, light reflective siya. So when the light bounces, mas maganda yung register sa camera and sa screen. So that's it for this grab pick makeup tutorial. Thank you so much to one of my boos on Instagram at SoftChuckle for DMing me this makeup tutorial suggestion. I really had fun coming up with this look for you guys. And congratulations, guys, to all of you na mag-graduate na this year. Warm hugs from your ate booboo. Congratulations to you guys. A big fat congratulations to you. Let me know in the comment section below if you like this look. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, guys, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and of course, if you have makeup or beauty questions na gusto niyo itanong sa akin, then don't be shy to message me on my Instagram account is @makeupbybooya. Again, if you have comments or video suggestions, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.